Kokonava from Czech Tech University, and right now I'm studying at summer school in Helsinki at Metropolia University. I would like to introduce you the S7S framework by McKinsey. It was developed in 1970 by Tom Peters and Robert Waterman, and how you can see it's pretty old, so it's already over 50 years, so that means that this model is really good and really sustainable when it's still used after 50 years. And like the quality is also given by, it was developed by McKinsey, which is one of the best consulting companies in the world, and it's one of the most recognizable companies, the consulting ones. So this model is used like to detect why company is not working well or how to success actually, or when we are implementing change. Like there are several factors, or we can call them elements. There are three hard elements which we are looking on, and strategy, structure, and systems. And afterwards we have three soft elements, which is skills, style, and staff. And all it's connected by the seventh element, which is shared values. So all these elements are, you can like imagine it like a roundabout. So there are like the elements, and in the center is the shared values element. And everything is connected through the shared value elements. So, and how to actually use this like framework, they call the 7S framework. You can create a matrix where you put like all the elements one on the top and after on the like on this one side, and you just like have the like for example you have the skills and strategy, and you'll have some links between that, and how is it actually linked and how does it work. And in the one side you put what you can improve, and on the other side you put what is your current state. So you need to analyze your current state. You can use several questions, like for example for strategy you can ask what is the strategy, how is the strategy communicated, and is like everything else aligned with that strategy. Or for example, another example we can give, I don't know, style. What is the leadership style used, how they communicate, how they work actually, what is the cooperation with the teams, and how the teams and the people who are like actually in the team, how they feel about the leadership. And in my opinion, I think that this framework is very interesting because it covers all the important elements which are actually in the company. I don't think that it's applicable just for the change, it's applicable to like a lot of things in the company. Whenever, I don't know, we have something failing, we can just like run this framework and see where we are, like we have a gap and what we are missing. Okay, so thank you for your attention and goodbye.